Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review a unique gadget called Smart Clean Vision.5 for perfectly cleaning your eyeglasses. So let's get into it. Smart Clean Vision.5 is an ultrasonic cleaner, which is a patented design technology, helps you to clean your eyeglasses perfectly from dirt, stains, etc. Just using simple tap water, it makes it very convenient to use at home or even while traveling. It's available in different colors, small in size and very light in weight. To use the ultrasonic cleaner, start by filling the water in the cup below the max line and then put your glasses in the tank. Connect the device to the power, press the power switch to begin the cleaning process and stop when it's done. It auto turns off for 5 minutes. The recommended time is between 2 to 5 minutes for an average clean. Afterwards, just rinse your glasses with the running water. You can also add a couple of drops of detergent for even better results. I've tested my few glasses with Vision.5 and the results were definitely worth recommending. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do keep emailing me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.